This is Executive Speak, transforming leaders into influential speakers, commanding attention, and inspiring action. Today we're going to be deep diving into what makes a great speaker and what are the elements of exceptional presentation and business storytelling techniques.
We can use stories to help us connect with our audience. You're not going to learn public speaking by just reading about it. It is through practice that we become better at it.
What do you do when you're asked a speculative or hypothetical question? Your response should be, for example, that I cannot speculate any better than the next person about hypotheticals. Let me tell you what actually happened in a related instance, or let me tell you what actually is the correct position.
My key highlight or my key takeaway from all this is I've learned so much about body language and vocal variety. I think those are things that I took for granted in my presentations previously. I am very grateful to the Executive Speak trainers, the coaches as well, and other external trainers that came through to help us improve and sharpen our skills. This will be very helpful, and I will make sure that I implement the things that I've learned throughout the training this week.
Patience Chisanga-Mayer has a really warm personality. She really makes you feel comfortable, and the environment is easy to learn in.
What stood out for me was the use of analogies. This helped us to connect more with the audience. I must say that this training was very exceptional and very insightful. Find time to take part in this training.
It's been such a life-changing and inspiring experience. Very professional. Kudos to Patience and Jahan. What I've learned is to use my weaknesses to my strengths and overcome anxiety.
What really stood out for me in this workshop on public speaking is the issue of having a conversation whenever you're making a presentation. Because a long time ago, all I thought was that if you are speaking in public, it's all about you giving them information. I did not realize that you need to have a conversation, because it is through a conversation that your audience will actually connect with you.